Learning is a process that we are never too old for, and in this market where learning is very important and new skills are more in demand, we need to always keep ourselves updated. So today we're going to list the best free online courses for you to take to improve your skills and to step ahead in your career. So tune in to find out which are the best careers for you. First, we have Inbound Marketing Certification by HubSpot Academy. From attracting leads to engaging prospects and delighting customers, this course covers the fundamentals of what inbound marketing is all about. So get this course on HubSpot Academy right now for you to learn about the basics of marketing. The second, we have Build Your Web Presence by Google. And this is an amazing course for you to take because you learn the basics of websites, local business listings, reviews, sites, social media, mobile apps, and even further about the whole social media spectrum of Google and its associate sites. The third, we have Google Analytics. Google Analytics helps you in fundamentals of making analytical reports for your marketing, which is a very in-demand thing right now for social media marketers or digital marketers. This course shows new Google Analytics to users how to create an account, implementing and tracking a code, and set up data filters. You learn how to navigate the Google Analytics interface and reports and set up dashboards and shortcuts and everything. And this comes in a lot of different form factors. You have the Google Analytics for beginners, which is the starting form, and now you can go over to the master's level. As you achieve these, you will get certification for each level and you will be an extremely good marketer. Number 4, we have Stock Market Investing for Beginners by Udemy. Stock market is booming right now, and everyone needs to know more about stock market to build their wealth and even earn some money or make it a full-time job. Day traders or just stock trading for your personal benefit is a very good way to start off. In this course, learn the basics of stock market through comprehensive, interesting, and fun lectures to help you out throughout your journey as a stock investor. Number 5, Content Market Certification by HubSpot Academy. Power your business with remarkable content. This course will teach you how storytelling, content creation, repurposing, and promotion come together to build a content marketing machine that grows your business and your career. Because when you know about content marketing in this age of digital media, you are surely to grow, because this helps you land jobs in marketing agencies, even in companies in the marketing sector or in the sales sectors. And this will prove an important aspect in getting a free certification from one of the best and leading platforms for this, HubSpot Academy. Ever wondered why some things become popular while other things don't? Well, viral marketing and how to create contagious content by Coursera is the perfect course for you. This course explains how each thing catches on and helps you apply those ideas to become a more effective marketer, because going viral is an amazing task, and when you go viral, you get more deals, more sales, and it also reaches more brand awareness to your customers. Number 6, we have Introduction to Social Media Strategy by Skillshare. Skillshare is one of the biggest e-learning platforms on the planet, and this offers an amazing course for you to jumpstart on your social media game. Because in this course, you will learn how to do everything from making a strategy to pulling it off. Whether you're looking to foster brand awareness, increase website traffic, or drive sales, this course can teach you how to craft a social media strategy to achieve your goals on Facebook and Twitter. Facebook, one of the biggest kings of social media on the planet, has its own school for you to learn Facebook from the largest brands in the world. Facebook Blueprint has a huge resource of free self-paced and social media classes which will cover the best practice and top strategies used by some of the world's largest brands. So why not get a certification from Facebook itself and boost your entire resume? Now we have YouTube Marketing by HubSpot Academy. YouTube is going at a tremendous rate, from their YouTube short platforms to millions of YouTubers coming out each year and building their own brand awareness. Now the brands are transitioning from TV ads to Facebook ads and YouTube ads more because of the popularity of social media that has caught on. So YouTube marketing is a must to learn. HubSpot's course in YouTube marketing is an in-depth, expensive and expansive set of tools and lessons that offer successful strategies to grow a monetized, optimized YouTube channel, which will help your business or the brands that you are working for in increasing their profits. Then we have Flight School video ads on by Twitter. Twitter has its own learning platform. Just like the Facebook giant, the Facebook blueprint, Twitter Flight School has a tremendous range of different things, but we are focusing on the video ads on Twitter. Whether you're a traditional TV buyer or a digital buyer or a social strategist, these two courses will help you build the knowledge and skills you need to meet your clients' video advertising goals. These courses have been designed to help you level up your expertise with video advertising in any field. Also, why not go to Flight School's page itself and learn more about the courses that are available there. Algorithm Part 1. This course by Princeton University covers the essential information that every serious programmer needs to know about algorithm and data structures, with emphasis on application and scientific performances, analysis of Java implementation, and more. So why not give this a try to more understanding of the web development scene and to get the resume of your dreams. Then we have Machine Learning by Coursera. This course is offered by Stanford University. Yes, you heard it right, Stanford University, and it provides a broad introduction to machine learning, data mining, and statistical pattern recognition. Topics include supervised learning parametrics, algorithms, super vector machines, kernels, and even more. So why not give this course a try? It's available for free on Coursera to boost your resume and to make you learn more things. Now we have the Science of Wellbeing by Coursera. This course is a little bit different from other courses that are available here, because this course is not about anything that is about studies or about marketing, but it's about self-development. Okay, the purpose of this course is not only to learn what psychological research says about what makes us happy, but also to put those strategies into practice. So the Science of Wellbeing is a must for anyone who wants to be an aspiring marketer, or any businesses, or even something that will make you happy on your own. Then we have the Conquering the Fear of Public Speaking by Udemy. Public speaking is something that we are all afraid of. Not us, then a lot of us are afraid of public speaking, and this course will help you to encourage yourself in public speaking, and get recognition more, and flaunt your speaking skills. So get this course, understand the fundamental techniques to get over the fear of public speaking through this course. Now we have come to the end of the video. I hope you like this video, because these courses are going to help you to build an amazing resume, also an amazing self-development process, and to learn more and more things. Certification from Princeton, Stanford to Udemy, Skillshare, everything will help you to grow and blossom your career. So see you next time with more videos like this.